bombs were exploded on Hiroshima and Nagasaki on 6th August and 9th August in 1945 by the United States. Hello friends, I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel Smart Kids. Friends, today I'm going to tell you few facts about major atomic bomb attack on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Let's get started. Two bombs ended Second World War. Hiroshima and Nagasaki Day marks the anniversary of the atomic bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki by the United States in 1945. United States dropped an atomic bomb on the city of Hiroshima in Japan by an American B-29 bomber on 6 August 1945. Do you know, friends, the explosion of the bomb wiped out around 90% of the city and around 80,000 people were killed instantly. Around 35,000 people injured. Not only this year, afterwards, people suffered for horrible burns and radiation sickness. After 3 days, another atomic bomb was dropped in Nagasaki, Japan. That is on 9th August 1945 by United States. As a result, Emperor of Japan Hirohito announced unconditional surrender in World War II in a radio on 15 August 1945 by informing the devastating power of a new and most cruel bomb. After effect was so horrific, people suffered several types of diseases due to exposure of radiation, and even tens of thousands were died later on also. The nuclear bomb that was dropped in Hiroshima city of Japan was named as Little Boy. Nuclear bomb was named as Little Boy because the plane dropped the bomb known as Little Boy. The bomb was dropped at 8:15 am as per Japanese time, and it was exploded approx 2,000 feet above the Hiroshima in a blast equal to 12 to 15,000 tons of TNT and destroyed 5 square miles of the city. TNT stands for trinitrotoluene, which is used for explosion. Now let's see the damages by the Little Boy. Japan did not surrender in the Second World War after dropping the first atomic bomb at Hiroshima. Then another nuclear bomb was dropped in Nagasaki, which resulted to surrender of Japanese emperor, and in this way the Second World War came to an end. It is clearly stated that both the cities were destroyed totally and mass casualties were happened. Also, the injuries were held in masses and several types of diseases were spread due to nuclear radiations. When bomb was exploded in Hiroshima, Japan, the city was struck by a flash of blinding light, and then a giant-shaped cloud was formed like a mushroom. In fact, with the 2.5 km of radius, the bomb blast had flattened the buildings. Several thousands of people were killed and injured. People suffered a lot later on also, as it was not a normal bomb. Let's see why United States dropped the bomb. During the Second World War, Japan was against the America and its allies, including Britain and Soviet Union. The allies were winning the war, and Japan was pushed back for several locations. Several soldiers were dying every day. Japan had been at war for so many years, and as a result, countries near to it like China and Japan together had attacked America. Everywhere there were soldiers of Japanese troops and were very cruel. They were so cruel that they treated surrender soldiers very badly. The President of United States, Harry S. Truman, wanted that Japanese soldiers must surrender as quickly as possible. so that he could save lives of many soldiers and innocents. So he threw a nuclear bomb with an aim that Japanese, while seeing this destruction, will surrender. This is all about the little boy nuclear bomb that was dropped on 6th August at Hiroshima and 9th August at Nagasaki and destroyed almost all the city. Friends, I hope you liked these facts on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. If yes, then kindly give thumbs up to my video, share with your friends and do subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye.